Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Okay,
wabarakatuh.
in today's this video, as you guys can see in the title, we are doing podcast about overseas program. So here there is me. I will introduce myself first. My name is Haris Marishat Santosa. I'm 11th grade of TKG, and here my friend Fatan Karim, from 11th grade of TKG too. So today we are going to be talking our experience that we have done in the overseas program, mainly in IDN teaching. So I'm going to give to Fatan first to talk about the experience of what he did in the overseas program. Fatan.
Okay, so let's I will try give you some like story on the experience about this program. So because previously, you know that IDN is providing like IDN teaching or maybe like going to backpacker like maybe like all the students like you know that some students are going to backpacker 10 countries or maybe even countries, but this I have the another story too, which is it's like of this program, which is I want to tell you experience when I doing identity teaching international. Okay, so last time I going to like some teacher give the some information uh, that there's like identity teaching. So last time I get called to KV or college vocational in Malaysia, which is most of our Indian students invite to their school in Malaysia. So how about you?
About me, if about me, I go there for identity teaching too, which is college vocational too, but this time I'm college vocational Sungai Buloh. How about you? What's the
Last time I go to KV Greek,
oh Greek?
which is near from Thailand. I
Oh
don't know.
Thailand, near
Yeah.
Thailand. Okay, continue. Continue.
Okay. Maybe I will continue first. Yeah. Okay. So about the story, or maybe like experience when I doing IDN teaching international, or maybe IDN teaching international, like contains of this program, which is there's some like benefits or maybe like experience that we get from there. So when we attend the schools in the other countries, maybe you will see the different things like culture or maybe like attitude or maybe something like that. Because why? If you compare to here and if we get it or maybe like Malaysia at last time, so you will see the clear difference of their culture. Okay, the firstly is in Malaysia, uh, at his schools, it's like many like improvements or maybe like many lessons that I learned. So like example, in IDN we're learning like IT, yeah. So like RPL, it's learning about the programming language, and the second like TKG, it's learning about networking, and the third is about DKV, which is designing. So when I go into the international, we also go to KV, and in the KV, this is a more major that we can join, which is like this is more than IDN, because there's like for example, yeah, because I'm a network engineer, so when I go to the IKV, you will see like the expert students that has the same skill and same major like me. And for like different story, yeah. When I first go to school, the story is okay. Okay, so when I go first, the first day I arrived in school, there's like mm, greetings from the school. Like when I going to the school, the teachers attend us go to the in front of school or alias lobby, yeah. And when we arrive here, there's like his culture when the guests arriving at school, they will greeting like giving some like flower and maybe something like give a dance from his country, and maybe does his culture when he want greeting the guests. And the second is, so in the Malaysia, every time they like a guest or maybe Indonesia tamu ya, a guest coming to the our coming to the school, they always follow like procedure. So like the first is when someone guest arrive at school, they will give like flower or maybe like give like dance from some people, and the third is introduce our school, which is like before, when before we teaching we need to do follow the KV procedure, like we need to go to the office room to introduce our school, like showing our profile, our experience, our maybe something like that, and our like our profile video, our schools. And that's about a procedure when guests go to school. and and the next is when we go to teaching. When I was teaching in the KV, we also get something useful from there, because before we teaching we have invite some guests. uh, there's some guests or maybe some student from KV invite us, yeah, sorry, invite us to explore the school before we teaching. So like I uh, I get something that is more useful, because in the KV or in Malaysia school, there's like many things that are useful, or maybe like many major that someone learn. So for example, yeah, in KV Gerik, there's some major like bakery, mechanical, networking, programming, like RPL, yeah, and being as a architect, or I forgot, and maybe more, because I don't remember what the major of KV Gary is it. And that's all of the into explore the schools. And the the more thing that appreciate of the school, because every time the guests are coming to school, they always appreciate with a good attitude, yeah. For example, like you know difference between
Different what?
I know when you go to Malaysia, you will feel like different culture or maybe attitude in that.
Yes, different greetings from them.
Greeting, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, especially from greeting, yeah, like me, yeah, because maybe that's it. Or and maybe if you, I don't know, in Malaysia, you know the language, what is it? It's Melayu, yeah. Okay, so about language, maybe someone know about Malaysia language, because for me, yeah, because we are Indonesia people and we usually always use Indonesia language, and we're speaking like "Halo, nama saya Fatan," or maybe like that, and or maybe like you want to say about the place, like maybe in station in Indonesia stasiun, or maybe something like that. When I go to Malaysia, there's something like similar like bahasa Indonesia, absolutely, because in Melayu I call it bahasa mixed English. Why? Because some language it's mixed from Indonesia and English. Like for example, uh, Indonesia stasiun, in Malaysia say station, but in English say station. Yeah, it's like different letter but same words, same what's that, or maybe like something like that. So because we are from Indonesia, and when we talk each others, they maybe literally know or little know about what we're speaking. Like for teaching, we always speak Indonesia, not English, because maybe some teacher or maybe some student know that we're from Indonesia. So if we think like, or maybe like some student of KV thinking that he's speaking the bad words. Sometimes when we speak Indonesia in Malaysia, maybe like it called bad words, or maybe words that it cannot know what is it. So I think it's okay from student like that. So or maybe like that is like communication, yeah. Communication is language because every time we go to international school, we always learning English, yeah, absolutely. English it used only when we go to airport. Yeah.
What?
Oh, okay. So how about you about communication? Like,
What? Oh, in Malaysia also. In Malaysia, but near at the city. Near.
yeah, university. Oh, because
My experience, all. Yeah, it's
same
almost the
but
same,
maybe
but
different place.
in a different place. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to share maybe about your
Yes, yes,
communication
of
with
course,
Malaysia
can.
people.
Okay, so because I and Fatan is this teach in the same country, which is Malaysia, but different schools. So I'm going to talk about my experience here. So first, of course, we get from the airport in the Malaysians. After we landed, we of course pray Zuhur and then explore the airport a little bit, and then we go out, and then we go to the bus station. We search a bus, and then we go to the city, which is um, uh, going to the hotel that we are going to stay. And after that, after we arrive in the bus station that we are going to arrive in the hotel that we are going to check in. There is a nearby mall. I forgot what's the name of the mall, but it's super popular because the mall has trains too, which is cool. But I forgot the name. It was a cool experience too. So yeah, after that, after we arrive, and then we go to check in with hotel in the hotel, which is, I mean, even though it's look a little bit tight or not very comfortable, but it's a good price. And after that, before we go to the school, a day before the school, we explore the city a little bit, mostly in the mall because we search for the food. And yes, after that, we decided after going around a little bit in the mall, we go to eat McDonald's, which is I know it's you can maybe say to me you can try anything else, but in our mind, maybe some of this my friends when I go to teaching there doesn't like the meal or what the peeling stuff. So we just go to the McDonald's, which is all of them eat. Okay, after that, after the eating, and then we go to briefing moment for the next tomorrow for going to the school, and then after that we go to sleep, and then the next day we check out from the hotel, and then goes to the school, which is College Vocational Sungai Buloh. If I'm correct, if I'm remember too, I take a train from station. I forgot what, but after that, I arrive in the last station, and then if in Malaysia, Gojek is there or no? Or Gojek
Grab.
or Grab, ya? Grab, if I'm correct, Grab.
No,
Grab
no Gojek
to
here.
the uh, school. Because we go too early too. If I'm correct, 8 a.m. we already go to the school. We arrive. We kind of walk a little bit, and then goes to the, I guess, principal office or what, if I'm correct too. So we wait there. So we wait in the principal office because the principal not yet come to the school yet. After that, we wait, and then when he comes, he greets us with with some teachers too from there, and that school too already been taught by many generation in IDN, and especially too in my mentor, my mentor is already goes to the school. So after that, the principal take us to look around uh, what uh, what they are teaching to the school. That there is so many, like yes, there is programming, and then there is wood cutting, there is building AC, uh, and then robotic. They learn, and then one of the most interesting too that caught my eye is automobile, like so they are making cars, and then the principal showcase us a car that has been used in a special event in there. I forgot what is the event. And then after that, we took around. The principal gave us the rooms into the school. After that, we did the teaching for a lot of couple days, and after that, so it was fun. And then we go to the at the end of the week, which is maybe one day before we go back to the our home again. And in there, our mentor said we should go have fun. Like so, in there we go to Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur using station, the train station again. Train station. Go to the Twin Tower in there. Twin Tower.
KLCC, right?
Oh, KLCC.
Yeah,
Petronas, the
Petronas.
Petronas.
I also know. Yes,
In
KLCC.
there, we take photo, and then go to the building. I with Ezar, with Ezar there. He photo with the F1 car that is flying there.
I know.
It's good, which is, I mean, it's really cool because we are, with Ezar. Yes, I go to there, and then we explore the in there in the mall in there. We explore, and then just have some fun. After having some fun, we go back again to the school for the last night in there, and then after that, I go back to home, which is I go to the airport and then taking a bus, and then after that we go back to home. I think it was um, we get delayed. There is interesting story too in there in the airport. My mentor in the ticket of the plane, we didn't know there is no baggage, or we only have cabin. Oh, there is
Yeah,
not the baggage.
it seems like me.
In the baggage in there. The mentor forgot to buy the baggage. So in there we got I would say delay. So we need to buy the baggage because many of my friends have the limit, have above the limit from there, from Malaysia. So we have to buy the baggage, pay from our parents again. We talk to our parents that we need to pay. Uh, and the most interesting too, that the flight got delayed, which is if it didn't get delayed, I would be in Malaysia still. I would be in Malaysia still, but uh, thank
Good.
God that it get delayed and I was on time in there in the plane. And yes, after that I go back to home, which is at the very late. And
Okay, and then so wait, I want to ask how much money did you spend for doing the identity?
if me, not much. I don't buy oleh-oleh. No, I don't buy. Maybe around how many how many ringgit ya? 200.
200.
200 ringgit.
200 or million?
200
All of the for the ticket, the ticket.
Oh, I don't know as
for the
well.
ticket. If the ticket, I don't know. This.
1 digit million. About me, 1 digit million. I forgot the budget. Yeah.
But if I spend in ringgit, I think 250 or 250.
This for you only.
Yes, for me only 250.
For others,
The
it's
others,
different.
the others is maybe there is or 250 or 300, 300 if I'm correct.
And then so still
I
10
don't.
minutes, please talk about the backpacker, three countries abroad.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you ready to prepare any
If me,
things right now?
if me,
Start
the
from
backpacker, I have to what is the English nabung? Nabung?
yes, saving money.
Yeah, I have to
Spend.
saving money from now and get a good job. But of course, I will be ready for the backpacker three country, which is Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore.
Three.
Singapore.
That's three. Two
Uh,
again.
three countries. I'm excited because I never visit Thailand. The other two, not really miss,
Not really.
not really miss them, because I have gone to other countries, much more. And yes, I'm very excited to see, because in this backpacker too, it's not like holiday or vacation, but it's
Learning.
mostly
Study
going
tour.
to study tour. It's mostly going to study tour. To learn, we go to the what college maybe we want to go in the Singapore or Malaysia or in Thailand. And yes, I'm ready that I want to learn what is good in the college in over there in the Malaysia and Singapore, and I will be ready. So, how about you, Farhan?
Uh, so about backpacker three countries.
Yeah.
So maybe like similar like my friends chat. So it's about a backpacker ya. For what's ticket or money come from? Okay, for about money, so same like Ichat, we need to save money from now, or maybe there's like a teacher said, yeah, every student must use own money, not parents, because if you use parents' money, maybe it's easy, yeah, too easy, because I didn't know parents are hard to work to pay us in the school, and now our mission is collecting the money, our budget to backpacker. Yeah. So how to get money for by the way? So the firstly, a teacher teach us or maybe remind us that we need to spend money from right now. So first, maybe you can to reducing maybe buy something, or yeah, maybe reduce to buy something. And the second is when we're doing some internship, there's like a target of the budget or maybe like amount of the money, and from money that we spend from the internship, it can be used for backpacker three countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and also Thailand. Okay, so because why we must to spend our own money, because this is the reason we need to survival or maybe like experience how our parents collecting money, because like same every people who doing like in the working or something, they need like money, maybe like he must to thinking this money used for what, like for buying managing people in the school, or like how to say by SPP lah,
Tuition, tuition,
or tuition ya, tuition. Oh yeah, and because this is different with us. So if you want to feel the hard thing, like maybe if you want to feel how how you spending money, you must try by yourself, because getting money is not easy. Yeah. So maybe teacher are doing these rules because one student maybe like that, and that's about how money come from. First, like collecting money from now, and second can be collected money from internship, and when we go to backpacker, we also need visit like three countries. And maybe if you're thinking about like other students like backpacker 11 or 10 countries, maybe it's more experience and maybe like more place that we visit. and more the place you visit, more the budget will need to be spent. Yeah. So we also need to know that backpacker is not like a holiday, like Ichad said. It's about learning to the worldwide. Like we go to the international countries and we learn it from them. What how uh, how them can be learned, or maybe something like that. Like we study to other schools or maybe other places or like universities, because as you know, when I was teaching in the before we go to the Indonesia, in the last day we also to survey or visit the university, like you you USM, yeah, USM. So because last time I went Rashad, yeah, because I know it, like USM, we explore the university, and we also talking each others like about like experience or maybe about this university and maybe like that. So that's about the backpacker. It's not like holidays, and it's about to improving the experience of the study tour, yeah, or maybe knowing knowledge from there. Dah.
Okay, maybe that's all, or still 3 minutes.
Okay,
You want to
maybe 3 minutes. I want to conclude, yeah, from
Future university dream maybe.
Oh, my future,
Also, I think you have the dream for study abroad.
my future university.
Yeah.
Of course, the University of Manchester. Why? I want to learn there and watch football games in my team. Manchester United. I always want to watch, learn in there and watch my favorite team. Yeah, Manchester United. Even though this season is not good, yeah, but I will keep supporting them. And yes, I want to learn their food because England, there is most popular fish and chips. I never taste them, or I never had any of them. I want to actually eat one of them, but from the the original country. I want to know how Europe people or British people eat in the morning without rice. I don't know why. In Indonesia, breakfast, if we eat, we
Good.
we want rice. If we didn't have rice, we don't eat. Always said like that. But in there, just a couple sausage, French fries like that. They call them breakfast. That's why I want to know. How about your university
So
in
university
your
that
future?
I prefer, it's because sometimes I always change my mind, but I found one of the countries. It's also Malaysia, because when I explore in there or maybe explore university in Malaysia, from last I did teaching, right, there's some maybe a little difference or maybe most different than Indonesia. Like it's about education or maybe faculty. So not about faculty, it's about knowledge or maybe a lesson in there, like the system of the education or maybe something. And because in Malaysia, there's like many majors that we can join, and there's something like uh, not benefits, yeah. It's more the education system in Malaysia, yeah, it's more better, yeah. Some I hear from my friends like that in Malaysia between Indonesia, it's have the most or maybe significant different from the education system, because like Malaysia, it's more better lah than Indonesia when I hear from them. And next is about Malaysia, because I think it's like there's no more like how to say corruption.
Corruption.
Yeah, corruption. Yeah, yeah. Our countries maybe like something. You know lah,
Endangering life.
every people
I don't join. I don't join. I don't. I don't want to talk about government. I don't want get killed.
Not talk about government.
No.
yeah, I not talk about maybe like
Yeah.
it's about the education,
Please
yeah,
don't kill me.
because my friend said they already live in Malaysia over 1 year,
It's him,
and they
not
talk
me.
about something there's nothing like bad news or maybe something, yeah. So maybe about corruption, I think I don't know, yeah, because I not because
I don't
we not
join.
in
Please
Malaysia
don't.
Malaysia people, yeah. We just take positive there.
Okay. Udah. Dah. Okay. Okay. Maybe that's all for the podcast in today's video about the overseas program. I hope you enjoy, and I want to say sorry too if there is any mistakes in this video or about the thing. Yeah, the thing.
Hey, stop.
Yes, that's
Enough.
right.
So, I'm sorry.
So sorry, we all sorry.
We are sorry.
And
There's
yes,
something.
thank you for watching this video, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.